So we are mudding. Oh, we are mudding.
To the right a little bit.
And Tucker's driving with a big fuzzy pink steering wheel. Oh, 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 jeez. This is like mud back here.
To the right, to the right, to the right. Pull it off.
Already through it.
You're good.
Can't see. Here's that one pit.
Yeah, you gotta go to the right a little bit.
That's it.
Go to the right. Or to the hard left. Or to the way to the left. Go, 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 go.
Ready, Mom?
Oh, no, I hope we don't get stuck back here.
Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see. Maybe this way.
Hold on,
Wipers.
stop. There you go. Now you can see.
His first time driving, you make him go through mud pits?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Why not?
Technically, it's like my third or fourth.
Third or fourth time driving? Like,
I've drawn us. That's how you learn.
that's how I learned.
Right, Dad?
Yep.
Just plow over the.
Look, yep. On the outside of it. Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Brakes.
That was up 2 wheels.
I rather.
I thought we were.
Reverse.
I thought we were.
Did you videotape that?
Yeah, but it was probably on the floor because I was sideways.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Look at you, fall down those trees.